Amazing psychological facts about women, the female body, and human psychology. Welcome to an insightful journey into the fascinating world of psychology, love, and the extraordinary capabilities of the female mind and body. In today's video, we'll explore some astonishing psychological facts about women, delving deep into the science of attraction, love, and human behavior. Get ready to uncover incredible truths about what makes women so unique. Women's intuition, often dismissed as a myth, is actually rooted in science. Research shows that women tend to be better at reading nonverbal cues, such as body language and facial expressions. This skill, often called emotional intelligence, allows women to pick up on subtle changes in behavior and emotion that others might miss. Evolutionary psychology suggests this ability was crucial for women throughout human history, particularly when nurturing families and forming alliances. Women had to be highly attuned to their environment to protect their loved ones and foster strong social bonds, which is why this intuitive sense still exists today. The female body is a marvel of adaptability and resilience. Women's immune systems, for example, tend to be stronger than men's, thanks in part to the hormone estrogen, which enhances the body's ability to fend off certain illnesses and infections. Women's bodies are designed to endure and adapt, whether it's through childbirth, emotional stress, or environmental challenges. Beyond physical strength, women also have a higher pain tolerance due to their biology. Studies suggest that women's ability to endure pain, particularly during childbirth, is both a psychological and physiological phenomenon, allowing them to handle more adversity than men in many situations. Here's a fascinating psychological fact. Women can smell genetic compatibility. This is known as the major histocompatibility complex, or MHC. Studies show that women are subconsciously attracted to the natural scent of men whose immune system genes differ from their own. This ensures that their offspring would inherit a diverse set of genes, making them more resistant to diseases. Talk about love at first sniff. This scent-based attraction plays a crucial role in selecting partners with whom they can produce healthier children. It's a biological matchmaking system built into human evolution. Emotional intelligence is another area where women excel. Women tend to score higher than men in empathy, emotional awareness, and social skills. This allows them to form deep connections, build strong social networks, and foster relationships in both personal and professional settings. This heightened emotional intelligence isn't just a social advantage. It's also linked to better mental health, stronger friendships, and even career success. Women are naturally wired to nurture relationships, an instinct that has been passed down through generations. Women are often seen as great multitaskers, and science backs this up. Research suggests that women's brains are better at switching between tasks because of the way their brain hemispheres are connected. This allows them to manage multiple responsibilities without losing focus. Although multitasking isn't always the most efficient way to work, women's brains are adept at managing the constant demands of everyday life, allowing them to balance careers, relationships, and self-care with grace. Body language plays a huge role in communication, especially for women. Women tend to use more subtle gestures to show interest and attraction. For instance, research shows that women may preen, adjust their hair, clothes, or posture when they are interested in someone. These nonverbal cues are often unconscious, but they send powerful signals. Understanding this body language can offer deep insights into women's psychology when it comes to attraction and relationships. Women's brains are uniquely wired for empathy and social connection. The mirror neuron system, which is responsible for understanding the emotions of others, is more active in women. This gives them a heightened ability to mirror the emotions and feelings of others, making them more empathetic and better at forming deep social bonds. This ability has evolutionary roots, where the survival of the group often depended on the social cohesion that women helped foster. Today, this natural empathy allows women to excel in roles that require emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills. Under stress, men often resort to fight or flight, but for women, it's more common to engage in what's called the tend and befriend response. Instead of confronting danger head-on, women are more likely to seek out social support and help others in times of crisis. This instinct to build alliances and care for others during stressful times has been vital for survival, particularly in early human societies, where cooperation was key to overcoming challenges. For women, emotional security plays a significant role in their overall well-being. Studies have shown that women often derive more of their emotional satisfaction from the quality of their relationships, be it with partners, family, or close friends. In fact, women are more likely to prioritize emotional connection and security over materialistic needs. This focus on emotional security not only strengthens their bonds, but also creates a sense of protection and support that is deeply ingrained in women's psychology. The psychology of women is as fascinating as it is diverse. From their unique abilities to smell genetic compatibility, their incredible emotional intelligence, to their heightened empathy and multitasking prowess, women's minds and bodies are built for connection, resilience, and love. Certainly, here's an extended version of the 10-15-minute YouTube script on amazing psychological facts about women, the female body, and human psychology. I'll add more depth and detail to extend the length. Women are often seen as the backbone of social support networks, and this role has psychological underpinnings. Studies have shown that women tend to invest more energy in maintaining relationships and creating social bonds. This behavior, known as social grooming, is crucial for maintaining the well-being of individuals within a group. This nurturing instinct is a key part of their psychological makeup, allowing them to act as caregivers and emotional anchors in times of crisis. Whether it's looking after loved ones or creating a sense of community, women are often at the center of these support systems. One of the most significant biological factors influencing women's psychology is estrogen, the hormone that plays a key role in reproductive and emotional health. Estrogen not only regulates the menstrual cycle but also affects mood, cognitive function, and even social behavior. This hormone is closely linked to nurturing behavior and emotional sensitivity. It's why women often feel a stronger emotional connection during certain times of their cycle, and why they may react differently to stress and social situations based on hormonal changes. Women are often more adept at using language to express emotions and ideas. Research shows that women tend to be more verbal in communication, using both words and tone to convey emotions clearly. They are also better at active listening, which fosters deeper connections in relationships and work environments. This skill allows women to resolve conflicts, negotiate, and nurture relationships in ways that promote harmony and understanding. Their heightened verbal skills are a reflection of their deep-rooted need for social cohesion. Friendships between women are often deeper and more emotionally intense than male friendships. Women are more likely to form bonds based on emotional support, trust, and shared experiences. These friendships serve as a vital source of strength and stability, especially in times of stress or a personal crisis. The emotional closeness found in female friendships can be a protective factor against stress, anxiety, and depression. Women tend to rely on these connections to navigate life's challenges, making their friendships some of the most valuable relationships they form. Contrary to popular belief, emotional vulnerability is not a sign of weakness. In fact, women's willingness to express their emotions openly often reflects great strength. Studies suggest that women are more likely to discuss their emotions and seek support, which leads to better mental health outcomes. This ability to express vulnerability allows women to process emotions more effectively and build stronger, more resilient relationships. By confronting and sharing their feelings, they pave the way for healing and personal growth. In many indigenous cultures, women are revered as the carriers of tradition and knowledge. They often serve as healers, leaders, and protectors of cultural wisdom. From the Maori women of New Zealand to the matriarchal societies of Africa, Indigenous women have played pivotal roles in preserving their community's history and heritage. Their resilience is not only a reflection of their strength, but also of their deep-seated connection to the earth and the spirit of their people. Indigenous women have fought to preserve their traditions, often in the face of great adversity, making them icons of cultural resilience. Women are as diverse as they are powerful. From their biological adaptability to their emotional intelligence, their ability to nurture relationships, and their remarkable resilience in the face of challenges, women embody strength in every aspect of life. As we've explored today, their psychology, bodies, and behaviors are shaped by millennia of evolution and culture. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the amazing psychological facts about women, their bodies, and human psychology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more intriguing insights. Thanks, and stay safe.